The key updates on the Orom Cross Graphite of the Acholi land. The 5 things that you must know. The 5 development or the latest update coming in from Orom Cross Graphite. That's what you need to know that is coming in from Acholi. There are 5 in number. Let's get to. Number 1, the consultant on the ground. A consultant is currently on site to conduct a survey focusing on roadwork and electric power connection within the mining license area that you need to know on consultant work. The second thing you need to know is the survey duration. How long will the survey take? How will the survey last? That is the survey time of this survey is said that it will take 4 days. And the reason for it to take 4 days is to gather necessary information for developing design and also creating a bill of cost for the implementation of road and power lines. So that is the reason as to the survey is being done for 4 days. And after that 4 days, the next step. The third thing you have to know is the community benefit. Like, how will the community, they not benefit? What is the negotiation? Will there be negotiation, or will it be an offer or take? That is the third thing coming in the wrong graph. So the survey is also designed to benefit the community. That's one of, but this will be only to the community within surrounding areas like this mining. And also the planned power extension will serve this list of areas. That it will serve Orom East Sub-County Headquarters, it will serve Lochomo P7 School, serve Lochomo Teachers Staff Quarters, it will serve Akurombo L Center 2, it will also serve L Staff Quarters, and also Nakwanya and Akurombo Trading Center. That's how it will benefit the community. That's the update that is coming. The second last, which is the fourth one, is the road work. The survey includes planning for the road of work that will open roads that will be selected within the community. This is intended to improve accessibility and infrastructure. Before I say the fifth one, may I request you to subscribe to this channel and also share to other people to get to know. And the fifth one, company commitment. A company known by the name Consolidated, abbreviated as CONSAF, that is C in capital, O in small letter, N in small letter, then capital A, F, CONSAF Limited, emphasizes that all undertaking will benefit the local community, reflecting their commitment to community development. So this information was released by Dan, who is the PR. Thank you.